Day 3. Strong sunshine. Quite a bit of warmth. No rain last night. It's going to completely change everything. Excuse me. She hit me with onion bhajias for breakfast, and they were a little bit oily. So I'm feeling a bit yucky this morning. We're just waiting for the clock to click over to 9:24, and we're hoping that the camera is set in the right position today so that I'm not filming tops of trees. Yeah, 9:24. Let's go. See the ruts and the roots. Right, I made my own trail yesterday but spun out on it. And again. Mother. This is rubbish. This is absolute junk compared to the last 2 days in the rain. Trail's getting a bit ropey there. I'll have to look at that. All of these stakes they put in the ground there to try and catch me. They're here. I'm going to try and avoid any real big smacks to the face because it is the camera. And then we end up looking at the sky. Second. Whoa! I forgot too, yeah. The tyres are completely fucked. I have milked this tyre. Yeah. I'm surprised if I get a flat off of it today. Messy going in there. Woo. Mind if I stand up there? It's getting a bit rooty in here. I've messed my own fucking entrance up. Through the little valley. Keep your right foot clear. Take it easy through here. It's only 6 inches wide. 6 miles down. Thank you. Right. struggling with the shadows today. It's quite off-putting. This one's a bit of a mofo now. I bottled those roots there. They didn't look like they were going to play ball. Must break that branch off and that one. I chipped 6 minutes off yesterday. I've forgotten the start time, 24 wasn't it? Was it 23, 24, something like that. Oh, I'm going to be gutted when I watch this back because it just looks like I'm going at walking pace. I'm not. I'm revving my little bar out. On that section, but we're nice and riched up now with the new ECU. I really need to start doing that lower route there. I believe I can save about 2 seconds on that one. Technical. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Slow through there. Built his little home right in the doorway there. Right, a little cut around there. I'm my first on this one, I think. A little bit of paddling around there. Perfectly allowed on a CRF. That was one to the cranium. Outside. Oh, gone a little bit wide that time. No need to go quite that wide, sir. Remember to go low. Yeah. Saves a bit of gnashing of teeth. Routage time. I could do it an easy get off on that lump there, but in the wrong fucking... You stupid fuck. You're on the wrong fucking track. Seconds down the drain. Seconds there, silly boy.